Tomorrow's jobs belong to today's learners, and every Salesforce job in the near future will be an Agentforce job. I'm driving this from listening to Leah McGowen-Hare in her speech at Salesforce's annual TDX conference yesterday about Agentforce and their new Agentblazer program. She said tomorrow's jobs belong to today's learners. Check it out.
Tomorrow's jobs belong to today's learners. So it's time to get our learning on. And here's the thing, we want to help everybody come along. We don't want anybody behind. We're going to bring you all along with us.
She was imploring everyone watching in person and online to dive into learning Agentforce right now and not delay. She also revealed that in order to attain the third and final level of the new Agentblazer program, which is appropriately named Agentblazer Legend, you have to pass the new Agentforce Specialist certification.
Because then once you unlock Innovator, you then go into Legend. This is heavy. This is serious. You really got to put your elbow grease into this one to earn this. You must take the Agentforce Specialist certification to earn level 3. That's part of it. So this is some serious leveling up. And I really want to make sure you all understand this is so important, that all this technology is going to require us to continue to learn. And we're giving you a chance to not just learn, but earn.
So whereas just a few short months ago there were no Agentforce jobs listed on the major job boards, now when you search you'll find hundreds of them. And in just a few months from now that number will likely be in the thousands, if not tens of thousands. That's because Salesforce revealed a lot of big numbers related to the recent Agentforce deals. Salesforce's most recent earnings call revealed that although they had a target of closing 1,000 deals for Agentforce in the prior fiscal quarter, they actually closed over 3,000. The uptake and adoption of Agentforce is unlike any product growth they have ever seen as a company. They also revealed that their 10 largest deals closed in the previous quarter all were Agentforce with Data Cloud deals. The implications are massive for our collective future and careers as Salesforce professionals. It is crystal clear that Agentforce is the future of Salesforce, even with some talk of Salesforce being renamed to Agentforce as a company as a whole. And the day will soon be here where every Salesforce job in every cloud and vertical, whether for a partner company, a customer company, or Salesforce themselves, will all be seeking those with Agentforce skills. To put it bluntly, sooner than we realize, all Salesforce jobs will be Agentforce jobs. We are all starting over and have to learn Agentforce sooner rather than later. And the great news coming out of TDX as well is that Salesforce is now enabling Agentforce and Data Cloud in their free developer accounts. That's right, you can access Agentforce and Data Cloud and keep those accounts for life as long as you log into them at least every 45 days. Otherwise, they'll terminate your access. So be sure you keep logged in and accessing Agentforce and Data Cloud and learning all along the way. This is a welcome addition to our upcoming inaugural cohort of Agentforce Academy. I'll be fully preparing you for not only Agentblazer Legend status and becoming Agentforce Specialist certified, but I'll also be showing you how to leverage the power of AI to build out your own apps and agents for your own ever-growing Agentforce portfolio. Our sessions are live on Tuesday evenings as we cover all of the core concepts and topics of the Agentforce Specialist exam. We also have live Friday daytime sessions for our Portfolio Power Hours. The Portfolio Power Hours are where we work through exclusive prompt workbooks to help you scope out and build your own personal Agentforce portfolio in your own Agentforce developer org. You'll not only create a final capstone project for your portfolio, but you'll come away with dozens more that you can build out over time. So be sure and check out the link below for Agentforce Academy, or just go to agentforceacademy.com. That will direct you to where you'll find the latest details on this new program that we're launching. Very excited about at Rapid Reskill. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share with others. And always here to help, and I'll see you in the cloud.